Darryl Jones is an American bass player. He has been touring and recording with the Rolling Stones since 1994. He has also played in bands with Miles Davis and Sting, among others. Darryl Jones was born on December 11, 1961 in Chicago, Illinois, on the city's south side. His father was a drummer and his mother frequently listened to soul music on the radio. When Jones was 7, his father taught him how to play the drums and xylophone. When he was 9, he saw his neighbor Angus Thomas playing bass in a school talent show, which inspired him to switch to bass. He began studying under Thomas. Within a year, he performed with his brother at the next school talent show. His mother would drive him to gigs. After completing the music program at Chicago Vocational High School at 17, Jones gained entry to the Chicago music scene playing alongside Vincent Wilburn Jr., Matthew Rose, and Perry Wilson. He attended Southern Illinois University Carbondale. In 1985, he became a member of Sting's first solo band with Branford Marsalis, Kenny Kirkland, and Omar Hakim. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.